What's up, guys? You watching another video? I'll show you. Not yet. But finally, the video that you've all been waiting for. Hopefully it's not too windy, by the way. Oh shit, I'm about to get hit. Should just go straight to it. Takes out the Z before I even reveal it.
Oh, that's your reveal, guys.
Anyways, what's up, guys? You watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. If you guys are excited for this video, I'm super excited. I'm finally gonna reveal the 350Z, bro. You guys have been asking for me every single day, every single comment, bro. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, bro. Everyone's asking me on everything. Where's the Z at? Where's the Z? Where's the Z? Finally, we're gonna reveal the Z.
No, I've been telling you to reveal
the car
it
just sits in my garage, guys. It's been sitting there for like weeks. I have so much content I can be filming with it, and I'm just slacking bad, bro. Slacking heavy. So hopefully it's not too windy, bro.
I know.
What do we film all this? It's too windy. Let's test it real quick. Oh, hell no. What is that?
How do I zoom in?
Go get her. I got David. David, I found your girl, bro.
Yeah.
I'm down bad. I'll take it.
No.
I'm just kidding. Where's she going?
Guys, I've been telling him to reveal it for so long. I know he was holding off because he wanted it to be perfect.
Yeah,
but
okay,
I was
so
like, guys.
let's talk about that. Why have I been holding off so long to reveal it? Because I just don't like how it looks yet. Like, I like it, but I want my cars perfect, bro. Like, I'm very a perfectionist, bro. And if it's not perfect, I think it's ugly. I'm like, I don't like it. But I know there's way more clapped out Z's than this, bro. This shit's hard now.
Yes, but what I'm trying to tell him is that people try to get the color. They want to see the color.
Yeah.
After that, you could
do everything else.
do everything else. Make it perfect how you want it. Yes.
Make it tidy up everything. I know. Smash the like button right now. Before we show it, I'm waiting.
And before we show it, another one. Comment down below what color you think it is.
Everyone thinks it's purple. Maybe it is purple.
Maybe.
Maybe it's white. Maybe it's black. Teal.
Homegirl is leaving, bro. That's like a cool album.
Where is she going,
cover.
Bro? All right, enough talking. Let's show you guys the new color for the Z. Let's go. What do you guys think? You guys like the color? I'm sure you guys probably already guessed that it's gonna be red, like all my other cars, bro. Now officially all my cars have been red at one point, bro. I had to do a red. What other color am I gonna do? It's FindingNick, bro.
Yeah,
all my
it
cars
looks
are
sick
red.
though.
If I could, I would run my GTR red again. I just love the color red on cars, bro. It just looks so clean. Especially with this wheel, with these wheels, bro. Like the wheel color and the red. Insane, bro. And also, new merch shop is now available too. It's the first thing down below. Go grab it ASAP before it's sold out. Everyone always complains like, bro, I wish I got it. The size sold out. So go grab your merch right now. Everything's on the site. 2 new t-shirts and 1 hoodie, bro. I threw a hoodie in there because everyone says it's like sweater weather now. But the t-shirts are fire. I think the white one's gonna be my favorite. I'm gonna throw them on the screen right here if you guys want to see. 2 t-shirts, 1 hoodie. The white t-shirt is my freaking favorite, bro. I think the white with the red car just looks so crazy. And also, when you guys do order everything, it is a pre-order, so you guys are gonna be getting your orders about 3 weeks. So stay patient. I'm sorry, it's not gonna take as long as the last drop, but they promised you 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks, you guys should be getting your orders. Whoever cops something today, but the faster you order, the faster you get it. So go to the website. It's the first link down below. ShopFindingNick.com, bro. Shout out to all the companies, real quick. Shout out to Kansei for hooking up with the wheels. You guys all know about Kansei. I rock their wheels on all my cars. In this car, on Hugo's car, you have Kansei wheels on there.
Those are from your E46 section.
Yeah, then I have other E46 wheels that are on the E46 right now. So Kansei hooks it up with all the wheels. So shout out to Kansei. These wheels are fire, bro. These, and I think the ones on Hugo's car are my 2 favorite ones from them. But they have a bunch of other styles. So go check out Kansei. Shout out to NRG. We have to put the other seat in still. We only have 1 seat in right now. But NRG, shout out to them for hooking up with the seat. We also have the NRG seats in my E46 too. So NRG in both cars, Kansei on both cars.
Your steering wheel too, right? Did you mention it?
It's NRG too. That's sick. Shout out to Dyna Performance for all the carbon fiber. We still got more carbon fiber to add. And then huge shout out to 58 Industries too for the coilovers. It's on coilovers right now, so I could slam it. We're gonna do in a future video, but it's really lifted right now. Everyone's commenting on Instagram like, bro, you got a monster truck 350Z. I know, bro, it's too lifted. And I think that's why I don't really like it as much.
That's why you don't want to. That's why you didn't want to reveal it.
That's also why I don't want to reveal it, because I want to adjust the coilovers. I want to do so much. But Hugo was like, bro, just reveal the car, and then we'll do all that for future content. So you guys will see a video soon enough of us lowering the car more. It's already on coilovers. Shout out to 58 Industries. These coilovers are way better than the people were like. The old ones were all messed up. You guys probably remember that video. I was gonna give a shout out to the front bumper, but they didn't hook me up. I asked for a sponsor, they didn't want to sponsor me. ISR Performance exhaust, the full exhaust, even though I need to fix it because
it has a bad leak.
Yeah, I must have scraped on something. Look how low it is, bro. And I want to lower it more. ISR Performance right there.
You can't see it, bro.
Right now. And
right
this shit's rubbing, bro. I gotta make it fit better, but those are the companies that hooked me up on the car. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I love how it's turning out. You guys remember how it used to look before, too? I want to throw a picture right here. This is how it looked when we first got the car.
It was bad.
It was really bad, bro. The bumper was falling apart. The interior was falling apart. Everything was bad. Car now looks like a whole completely different car. Like, people aren't even believe it's the same car. Like, I think you got a new Z because it looks way different, bro.
Yeah, from when I drove it.
And when you
that shit was bad.
But it still needs a lot of work, guys. We gotta lower the suspension. We have to put a starter in. It still doesn't start. Hugo's gonna have to push me right now. We gotta fix little things too, like
show him. All right, so first things first.
Put the antenna back in.
Gotta put the antenna back in. We gotta lower the car because, like you guys said, it's a monster truck.
And I already messed up the wrap. Look at it. Something chipped it. That's so sad, bro. I was already messed up. So we're gonna rewrap this. Oh, we got new headlights. This should change. This is the biggest, I think, thing that changed the car, the look. Old headlights were fucked up. And then we gotta polish these up because the carbon fiber is still messed up. The biggest reason why I haven't revealed it is because the bumper, I hate how it fits, bro. That shit has a huge gap. Like, it does not look good, bro. I don't like it.
Yeah. I feel like people put something under it, bro, to support it.
I think that's what we're gonna do. Probably put like,
support.
Like foam or something maybe underneath. I don't know why there's such a big gap right there, but it's really ugly, and I don't like that shit, bro. But I know there's a lot of Z's out there cruising like that, but I just don't like it personally. I think it's just the bumper material. It's like the, what is it called? Polycarbonate material. So it's like super flimsy, bro. Like that bumper is supposed to never break. You can crush it into a wall and it'll form back to its normal.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. That's why it doesn't go up. If it was like a solid, like, what is this? If it was like plastic or something, it would have
like
been
rubber. That's why it's so like flimsy, bro. So I don't like the fitment of the bumper. Maybe we'll get a new bumper. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I hate that fitment. But that's the biggest reason why I haven't revealed it, because I hate how it looks. I don't want to reveal it like this.
It's not bad though.
Okay, it's not that bad, but it's pretty bad.
But it is. You can see it. You can for sure notice it.
Finally, we revealed the new color. Hopefully you guys like it. If you guys did like it, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the new color. Shout out to the homie Henry. I'll leave his link right here. He's the homie. He wrapped my 350Z. He wrapped my GTR. And he's probably going to wrap my future cars too. So shout out to him. But the biggest shout out goes to Vinyl Frog, bro. Vinyl Frog is the company that makes that material of red. I think it's called Vampire Red by Vinyl Frog. The color is really good. The material is pretty easy to work with too. And the shine, bro, like it looks like a paint job. Like I said, it looks like a brand new paint job. First posted this color, I hit them up right away and I was like, bro, I need that red. And they sent me a roll right away. Shout out to them. They make a bunch of sick colors. A lot more content coming soon with the Z. Oh, we have to wild the diff too, so I can start swinging it, because it will not drift right now. I'll try it right now, but it's not gonna drift. All right, let's push this shit. Look at the help.
Come on. I don't know why, but it looks funny seeing them in a Z. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, he needs to fix that exhaust leak though. It's bad.
Alright guys, so I'm revealing the Z today, which you guys already seen, but we're about to get it washed right now before we do the reveal pictures, reveal video, and all that good stuff. But the Z's actually looking really good, bro. This is my favorite angle right here, where you can see like the center exit exhaust with the rear bumper and everything. I think it looks so sick with these wheels, the red. It's just insane, bro. It looks way better than I thought it would, and way better than when we first bought it, for sure. Nowhere close to where I want it to be though, but it's still sick. It's a process. About to get it all washed right now. Well, look at the vents. Once we like really fix them, it's gonna look so good. But right now they still have that sun damage. The window doesn't go up yet, so we're gonna have to go around that. Anyways, about to get the car all washed and then go take some reveal pictures and the reveal video. It's weird how I'm filming this, guys. I'm filming like backwards. It's kind of weird. That shit clean. You like it for real, David?
She was hard, bro.
Would you buy it?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, look at this side.
Remember the day we bought it?
Remember?
Compared to now.
I think the red seat looks like.
The red actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks cool. And the carbon looks sick, bro.
I know. Like we gotta repaint all that.
But
We're gonna make the interior.
Technically, you don't even gotta really like do that, bro.
And we're gonna do the headliner too.
I think it looks cool the way it is.
We're gonna put stars in the headliner.
Oh, you for sure need a new windshield though.
Oh, yeah, we need a lot. New windshield wipers.
And you need to drop it. I'm gonna
drop it. I know. We're all lifted. Guys, like the car's all washed and it looks so clean, bro.
For sure.
It literally looks insane.
Like,
They're not gonna think it's the same car.
no,
I'm so hyped, bro, how this car's turning out. Just a lot more to do still, but still looks good as it is. Like, it's already looking way better, bro. There's worse 350Zs out there.
Now there is.
Mine's low-key really nice.
This went from below mid. It was 2 below mids. And it skipped from below mid. Now it's like a little above mid. You just gotta drop it. If you drop it, it'll look like 100 times better.
Yeah, once we slam it, it's gonna look crazy. Old bumper here, still. Look how messed up this bumper was. Like, this you can see. So you can see, like, this is the condition the car was in, bro, at one point. And it was so bad, bro. Like, look at cracked bumper. Like, I don't know. The whole car was like that, too. Look at the lineup, though. We really look like some Skittles right now. Hugo needs a bright color on his car. But look at all the colorful ass cars out here now. It's so sick. 2 Nissans and 2 BMWs. It's crazy that I still have the E46. It's not here.
At least 2 BMWs and 2 Nissans.
Isn't it crazy? I don't think I've ever had all my cars together once.
That's what low-key you would look like if you still had the E92.
And the E30
and
the
you bought a
E46
F80.
and the F80. Bro, imagine I did keep all my cars. Look at this wheel gap. What the fuck is this? You can put a whole 350Z up in there.
Bro, what color should I do the caliber? I kind of want to do them blue like that.
They kind of look blue, sick blue. They kind of look blue sick.
I
hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Don't forget the new merch shop is now available. It's the first link down below, shopfindingnick.com. New t-shirts, a new hoodie. The hoodies are tight, the t-shirts are tight, everything's tight. Are you gonna cop the merch?
I better be sponsored.
You better go to the website and cop the merch. All the merch is very limited, so go grab it right now. Once it's sold out, it's gone, guys. And subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Hugo Lifts behind the camera. His link is also down below. It's like the first link down below. Hugo hit 7K today.
I did hit 7K.
7,000 subscribers, but everyone's sleeping on Hugo. Get him to 10,000, bro. 10K.
We didn't hit 10K by the end of the year, bro.
7, 8, 9, 10. You only need 3,000.
3,000.
Guys, 3,000 of you. Go to Hugo's channel right now. It's the first link down below. And subscribe to Hugo. Let's get him to 10,000, bro. I'm going to deactivate mine on YouTube.
And just post on mine?
Yeah. I'm going to start posting on Hugo's videos. Subscribe. Nah, but for real, if you guys want to see more of me and Hugo's videos, I'm always in his videos. And I think your videos are funnier than mine.
They just gotta see. I feel like people gotta
watch one of his videos. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. You can see like behind the scenes of me. Like, if you guys want to subscribe to Hugo, it's down below. Not if you want to, go subscribe to Hugo.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.